Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix USB device not recognized. Solve USB device not recognized in Windows 10 and Windows 11. I'm currently using Windows 10 and this should also work for Windows 11. First, what we're going to do is click on the search icon beside the start icon and let's search for Windows PowerShell. Once this pops up, tap on that and click on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. And now we're going to paste in a command. This is the command right here, msdt.exe space -id space device diagnostics. I'll also paste this command in the description box below so you can just simply copy and paste it on a Windows PowerShell. Paste it in and hit enter to run the command. And the troubleshooting should run and try to fix your USB device not being recognized. If that does not work, let's close these up. And what we're going to do is search for Device Manager. Tap on Device Manager, and from here we tap on Universe Serial Bus Controllers. Click on this little arrow icon beside it to open up the drop-down menu. And what we're going to do is right-click on this USB root hub. And we click on Update Driver. Click on Browse and click on this next option. And it will say if the best drivers for your device are already installed or not. If it says to install a driver, just tap on it and you should install the driver. Let's hit close. Now we right click on the USB host controller right here, or it might say generic USB hub. Right click on it and click on Update Driver. Browse my computer for drivers and click on next right here. It should also say whether or not the bus drivers for your device are already installed. Once you're done with that, close this and close Device Manager as well. The next thing we're going to do is click on the start icon and go to settings. We search for power and sleep settings, and from here we click on additional power settings at the top right part of your screen. From here, click on choose when to turn off the display from the left part of this tab. Once you're here, click on Change Advanced Power Settings. From here, scroll down a bit and you should be able to see the USB settings. Click on that plus icon, click on this one, and double click on it. And you should try to disable this one, and it should look like that. And click on Apply right here and click on OK. Now the last thing you need to do is to restart your computer and it should work so that your USB device will now be recognized. And that is how you can basically fix USB device not recognized. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.